Here we're going to run you through mounting our Scrambler mirrors using our bar end mounting kit. Now sometimes the lever mounting pivot won't be correct for your style of bike, and this is where the bar end mounting kit comes in, allowing you to use our standard Scrambler mirror mounted on your bar end, either on top or underneath. What comes with your bar end mounting kit is a set of 2 of each of these spaces and then the actual bar end mounting kit itself. These spaces are used to go inside the handlebar and fix in with the fasteners that we also provide. To use this, you're going to need 2 Scrambler mirrors and 1 bar end mounting kit. The tools that you need to install are a set of Allen keys, an M4 tap and drill, and a 10mm spanner. So with aluminium bars, generally you'll only need to use the smaller spacer that's provided in the kit. For inch bars and steel bars, we have other spacers that you can use and use exactly the same method to fit on your bar end mounting kit. So you want to drill your grub screw hole to the depth of your grub screw, which is 6mm, and then tap it out. Put the bar end mirrors on. So use the 2 nuts that we give you with your Scrambler mirror kit, lock those off, tighten your 6mm thread. Once that's firm, take off one of your lock nuts. Oh. So as a final note, you need to make sure that you have tank clearance when you're doing this. So if you were to take this off the bench and check your clearance and find that your mirrors were going to foul, you can adjust them on the bar end and flip these up, turn your mirrors around and have them mounted on top of the handlebar. Or you can flip them out this way and have them underneath as well. So that gives you 4 options for placement and clearance. That's going to wrap it up for our bar end mirror install using our Scrambler mirrors. If you aren't using this kit and you want to go with the lever pivot, make sure you check out our other install video. Thanks for supporting PBM by using our products, and we'll catch you on the next one.